Well, hello and welcome to this very first release of kind of a monthly release note recap for Genesys Cloud. This one's going to cover March 2024 and the release notes from Genesys and specific highlights that we wanted to just point out. So in the month of March, there were 20 new feature functionality improvements, updates that came out from Genesys. And just a few that we want to highlight for you here. Of course, if you have any questions or if there's anything more that you want to learn about any of these release notes or others that may have been released, don't hesitate to let me know. Very first one here that I want to highlight is just around email. So on March 25th, Genesys released a update specific to really the agent user interface for email. The whole goal of making it a bit more user friendly. So if you utilize email, routing email through Genesys, or you're thinking about using that in the future, hopefully a little bit again more user friendly and easier to use for agents. A couple of different improvements listed there, specifically that Genesys made as part of the email update. Next one is around outbound, and even if you don't use outbound, maybe something worth just simply being aware of potentially for the future. A few different release items really over the course of the month that Genesys came out related to outbound. So very first one, kind of a neat one here, specific to triggers. So there's triggers already built into the system where based on a something that may happen, you can trigger or schedule, set up an action based off that. This particular one is for outbound digital campaigns and really specific to wrap-up codes. So based on a specific wrap-up code, you can trigger some kind of post-contact interaction set up to take place, again, based on that wrap-up code. That was the March 18th release there. On March 11th, specific to preview and progressive dialing modes, Genesys simply released a update that allows you to utilize or to assign, I should say, agents to those outbound campaigns based on a specific skill or set of skills. So basically including skills a bit more into preview and progressive outbound campaigns. And then very last one, this is going to be very specific to predictive and power dialing modes. So doing a lot of outbound from that standpoint, but offers the ability to set the max amount of calls per agent at the campaign level. So just another one allows kind of for some fine tuning really when it comes to some of those more aggressive outbound modes. And one of the last ones to highlight here is around Genesys Agent Assist. This has been something that's been talked about and coming for a long time with these couple of specific releases, and finally came out in March. Now, I do want to just highlight or specifically point out Genesys Agent Assist is a add-on license. This can be licensed for just a subset of users. It doesn't have to be for the entire organization. It is $25 a user a month for the Genesys Agent Assist for digital and voice component. But with the Agent Assist and with the releases that came out this or in March, the very I guess last one that came out at the end of March was around conversation summarization. So really just offers that ability for Genesys AI to summarize a conversation between an agent and a customer and offer that information to the agent to then be able to copy and paste into notes section, CRM record, things of that nature. So really goal of just simply saving some time, creating some efficiencies for the agents using that summarization. And then also from a just the Agent Assist knowledge article feedback. So Agent Assist utilizes the knowledge workbench within Genesys and the information, knowledge-based information that's been ingested into Genesys to, again, provide information to the agents in real time during a conversation, really help out that agent during that conversation, provide the best information back to the customer, hopefully provide a good experience for the agent and a good experience for the customer. So on March 11th, this particular update simply allows for agents to give feedback based on the information that was presented to them And really from a, I guess, supervisor and administrative standpoint, you can utilize that feedback as a way to just simply see if there's potential gaps in terms of, what information is there and available and what may need to be offered, or, ways to fill in that gap, in terms of, if there's missing information, or information needs to be a little bit more clear, or something for the agents. So again, it is an add-on license, but as Genesys looks to do more with AI in the year ahead, and further build out the capabilities of Agent Assist, I think we'll see more of this coming down the road as well. So thanks for the short time today. And just looking through, covering through some of these highlights. As always, again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Happy to answer any questions that we can. As always, thank you for your partnership, and hope you have a great day. Take care.